How's everyone doing today? I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to wash a dirt bike. Over here we got my new 2013 KX250F that I got. Has aftermarket Rocky Mountain plastics, nice little black rims, and other than that it's pretty much stock. Very nice bike. I was just having some fun riding. It had brand new tires, but as you can see they're getting worn out a little bit. But it's still very nice. I bought this bike actually to flip it, and it's a little dirty, so that's what made me want to do this video. How to wash a dirt bike. So yeah, basically I'm going to give you guys some little quick useful tips. So if your bike is carbureted, you want to cover up the air filter, but in this case the air filter is right there, so you just want to kind of avoid throwing water in there as well as there, and as well as the exhaust. And yeah, other than that, just don't hit any cables, hit the rims real nice. I actually forgot my supplies, like my cloths and all that stuff that I use, like the greasers and stuff, but I'm gonna just use the pre-soak here at the car wash. It's $175 here where I'm at. I just put it on high pressure soap, and then after that I soap it up, and then I just use the high pressure rinse and then scrub it off with a towel, which I don't have, but I'll do that when I get home. But yeah, I'm gonna get straight to the point. Hey guys, so this is actually the sock that I use to keep all my coins for the car wash, because I do also flip cars and wash cars, but today we're doing it on the dirt bike. I already got 6 quarters in. There's 7. Turns it on. Take this out, and then you just spray it up. Avoid the exhaust. Always hit the exhaust like this, not straight into the hole. And then other than that, if your bike is carbureted, avoid the air filter. My air filter is, like I said, in that hole, so that's what I'm gonna avoid. You always want to get good under the fenders, just like that. That's usually the dirtiest part, especially if you're riding your bike off-road. Get the plate under real good, and yeah, spray it up. I'm using the little soap, so that's why it looks a little bit white, but yeah, just wash it real good. Get this thing real nice for its new buyer when I go to sell it, even though I'm probably gonna ride it a little bit more. I'm gonna make some more videos on this dirt bike, like how to ride a dirt bike and all that good sort of stuff. But yeah, pretty much just spraying up the bike. You want to get good in there. You want to get good all up in there. Yeah, that's how we do it. All right, I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm done. Just finished washing up the bike, and it's definitely looking nice. So yeah, pretty much washing the dirt bike is just like washing a bicycle, except this got an engine, so you just got to watch out for the exhaust, not let water in there, and not let water in through the air filter. This fuel injected, yeah, air filter is right there in that hole, as you can see, so you don't want to let water in there. Or if it's a carbureted dirt bike, then yeah, just don't let it get into the carburetor. Cover it up with a bag or sock, if you will. In this case, I didn't have anything to cover up the exhaust or air filter, but as long as you don't throw like a whole bucket of water in there, you should be fine. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. Just spray it real nice, just get in the corners and all that, and that's pretty much how you wash a dirt bike. You also want to let it dry up first before you start it, because even if you didn't get any water in the exhaust or air filter or anything, I mean, it still manages just to be wet, you know. So whenever you try to start up a wet dirt bike, it could have issues or bog out. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, just waiting for it to dry up. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys could hit a like, subscribe, comment any future ideas, I really appreciate it. My next video is probably going to be on a GMC truck that I bought, or possibly another video with the dirt bike. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and as always, take care. Peace out.